One of the things we really like about Blackboard is that it gives your professor an easy set of tools for adding their own voice into their Blackboard site. They can use it to create voice announcements. They can also use it to provide you vocal feedback on the assignments that you turn in. The problem is, all this wonderful magic depends upon something called Java. Java is optional software that's installed on your computer, and if you don't have the current version, sometimes it means that these features on your computer in Blackboard might not work. What I want to do right now is I want to show you a couple of things that you might need to do to make sure that your Java is up to date. This is only, though, if you're having problems. If you're able to listen to your professor's voice without a problem, and the voice setup wizard work fine without a problem, then you can probably stop this video and go do something else. Also note, I'm showing you how to do this on a Macintosh. The place we need to go is in our computer's System Preferences. System Preferences are found up in the Apple menu at the top left corner of your screen. I'm going to open up System Preferences, and it will show me all the different areas of options that I can change on my computer. The settings for Java are down here at the very bottom. If you don't see a Java option here, then the possibility is you don't have Java at all. In which case then what you need to do is you need to come over to the Java website, java.com, and here you can use the easily found free Java download button to start the process. Once you've done that, you can come back and continue on with this video. I'm going to go back to System Preferences because my Java is installed, and I'm going to click on the Java option, which is down here at the bottom of the window. My Java control panel will now open up, as it says, in a separate window. Might take a moment depending upon how old your computer is. And what you have now is a window with a couple of different tabs at the top. The first thing to look at is the Update tab. The Update tab will tell you if your Java is currently up to date. Now usually your Mac will actually tell you this by itself. When a new version comes out, it'll holler at you and let you know you need to update it. But if you ever want to check by yourself, this is the place to come. I've got the most current version, so that's great, but what I still need to do is make sure that I can use Java inside of Blackboard, inside my web browser. The way to do that is to come over to the tab labeled Security. The Security tab has two things we need to look at. First is this checkbox at the top that says Enable Java Content in the browser. This has to be checked. If this is not checked, no Java in your web browser will work at all. That means stuff in Blackboard will not work, as well as a ton of other sites like popular gaming sites like Pogo. So make sure that this option is turned on, but that's not enough, because Java tries to protect you from Java programs doing things that it shouldn't. You'll notice here in the middle there's this set of security level options. Right now mine is set to what it considers the recommended setting, high. The problem is some of the things that the Java that we use in Blackboard need to do, they go a little beyond those normal security permissions, and they will not work unless you take this slider and set it down to medium. Once you've done that, you can click OK. You can also close your System Preferences, and you should be ready to go. What you'll probably want to do is quit Safari, not just close the windows, but actually come up to the Safari menu and choose Quit, and then start it up again and go to Blackboard. That will make sure all those settings that we changed are now current, and you should be able to use the voice features in Blackboard without a problem.